Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 8, subject physical science, chapter 5. Students, last class we saw coal and petroleum introduction. Next we will discuss about or talk about natural resources. First, what is mean by natural resources? What are natural resources? Yes, students, you have anybody ideas natural resources? Yes, the sources, the substances that exist in nature, that they are usual to mankind. So for the substances we cannot create them. These substances we cannot create them artificially. கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியுமா? நேச்சுரல் திங்ஸை பற்றி நம்மளால் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலாக க்ரியேட் பண்ண முடியுமா? நோ. The substances we cannot create them artificially. Even if you want to create them, we cannot, and they to form in nature by themselves. And they are extremely useful to mankind. In many different ways. Most of them and act as a wonderful sources of energy. Most of them are wonderful sources of energy. Next, some of the example of natural resources are, first one is the soil. You know how is important in soil is? Yes, the growth development of plants and rich in minerals, and soils rich in minerals. So soil is very important in plants and animals. Okay, the next natural resources are air. We live able to breathe. Air is important for survival of living things. Organisms. Air is present in around us. Students, we can create air. Create பண்ண முடியுமா? We can create air? Oh, no. Air is something natural. Next natural resources are water. What is that? Water, forest, wildlife. So these are the example of natural resources. What are the example of natural resources? Soil, air, water, forest, wildlife. These are the example of water resources. And some other example of natural resources are coal and petroleum. And some of the natural resources are coal and petroleum. And next we will see coal. So what is mean by coal? Already I told introduction part. What is coal? Students, you have remember it? Yes. Coal is a black rock-like combustible substances. Which is present, yes, found below the earth's surface. It is formed from partially decayed and matter that heated. That is the coal. So that is the definition of coal. So students, you remember, okay, what is mean by coal. Next, some other example of coal and petroleum. The next, coal we cannot create them. No. So we cannot create coal, we cannot create petroleum. Coal and petroleum ஓனா என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியாது. We cannot create coal, we cannot create petroleum. Okay. Next, in this lesson to talk in more detail about the coal and petroleum. Coal, how they are beneficial to us. How do they useful and helpful to us? How they are beneficial to us and how do they help to us for mankind. Okay. The next, coal is being used to lot of fire. And lot of heat. and a lot of heat, and that heat energy is utilized for different purposes, and that heat energy is utilized for different purposes காக நம்ம heat energy யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குவோம். Okay, example used for cooking, example used for cooking, and coal is also used to generation of electricity, generation of electricity. Okay, so that is the coal. Next we will see petroleum. So there are so many products of petroleum. There are so many products of petroleums like petrol, diesel, kerosene. They are useful to mankind. Next one is the types of natural resources. What is the types of natural resources? The natural resources are two types. First one is the inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. First one is the inexhaustible natural resources. These resources present in unlimited quantity in nature. So these are present in unlimited quantity in water. So unlimited quantity means limit இல்லாம நிறைய இடத்துல presence ஆயிருக்கும். It does not likely to human activities. Example sunlight and air. So inexhaustible natural resources are unlimited quantity in nature. Example sunlight and air. And exhaustible natural resources are these resources are limited, exhausted by human activities, example wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum and natural gases. These are limited or present in the nature. This is the two different types of natural resources: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are unlimited and exhaustible natural resources are limited. Example of inexhaustible natural resources are sunlight and air, and exhaustible natural resources are example wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Students, this is the introduction about natural gas. This is introduction about natural resources. Next, I have attached one videos about natural resources and one assignment for this topic, PDF file. Okay, all of you watch this video and all of you write classwork in your CW note. Okay, thank you students.